This is a love reading for the sun sign Virgo from February to March. In this love reading, I am doing a heart-shaped spread. On my left are the cards for Virgo, and on my right I will be taking out other cards for your love interest or your partner. If you are married, then your spouse. After we have understood what is the guidance for Virgos who are couples and in relationship, I will remove the partner cards to only see cards for Virgos who are single and are looking for love. Normally, if you were to write to me, I would complete the heart-shaped spread for singles with the time spread. That is to know when is it likely that you will find love and be in a relationship. Now, since this is a general reading, I cannot take out time spread. So we will only take guidance on what is coming from tarot and how is it looking for singles who are looking for love. So let us see what is the guidance from tarot for the heart-shaped love spread for Virgos who are in relationship. Please note that this is a general reading and not everything will apply to all the Virgos, and whatever will apply will vary in the intensity. So first I'm asking is, who is Virgo? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength or challenge you are bringing? What is the strength or challenge your partner is bringing? How do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about the relationship or your partner in the future? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship in the future? What is the past you are coming from and what is the past your partner is coming from? And this is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading. So let us see how the cards are. So Virgo, to me it's looking like you are the one who is bringing a lot of faith and belief into the relationship and marriage. You have immense belief that this relationship will work. And you are not someone who has just thought of it overnight and therefore your belief. There is something more strong and powerful which is at play here. Who is your partner? It's looking like your partner is really finding it difficult to maintain and manage the relationship with you. And the reason is not you. Your partner seems to be putting up a fight with a lot of outside influence and forces to hold on to the relationship. The good part is they believe in the relationship as much as you do. So if your partner has a faith of 1x, you bring faith and belief into the relationship to the tune of 100x. So that is the strength of your belief and faith in the relationship and your partner. But your partner is having to deal with a lot of challenges for some reason. But they're putting up a brave front. And you both, to me, it's looking like your partner can do much better if they were to only listen to you. You know how to go about handling their situation. Now, what is the strength or challenge you are bringing? And what is the strength or challenge your partner is bringing? So, you are very convinced about the long term in this relationship or marriage. And your strength is you are capable of moving mountains, but you want to give lot of time, approach it with lot of love and affection. You don't want to declare war. You don't want to take it upon yourself to deal things, whatever your partner is dealing with, or whatever you feel is not in place. So it's telling me that you have a lot of love, understanding, and affection to offer in the relationship. And you're a romantic at heart. What is the strength or challenge your partner is bringing? Your partner is a bit confused. They need to sort their own emotions first. Your partner needs to deal with his or emotions to get clarity on how to deal with the situation. To me, it's looking like your partner has too many expectations to deal with. And these expectations may not necessarily have anything to do with you. But your partner is a bit confused. But what they don't realize is they have come and met someone very, very credible. Their experience is not enough, or their knowledge is not enough to know the depth of your love and belief in the relationship. But they are taking their time to clear up and understand emotions. So, how do you see your partner? And how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who can create success and is very, very capable. So it's telling me that whatever your partner is dealing with may be a very temporary situation, really, or something which has just happened and is a passing energy. Because you see your partner as very, very capable. You treat your partner as an equal who's almost at an equal level as you. This is how you see your partner. So to me, it's saying that Virgo, you're giving a lot of respect to your partner. And you are very attracted to your love interest. How does your partner see you? They see you as a keeper, someone who cares for and provides for, and someone who's a bit possessive. So it's also telling me that you have a very good life and your partner sees you as someone who has it all. And has it probably more than they need, really. So your partner has a very good opinion about you. And you hold things very close to your heart that matter to you. So Virgo, you do spend a lot of time in making sure you reward people, situation, and your projects with your attention when you really like them. So your partner really sees you as someone who cherishes what he or she has. And Virgo, you're very smart. You know when you have got a good deal. You know when you have the best of what you have wanted. And you're holding it very, very close to you. So your partner knows and understands you well. They know that you cherish them and they have occupied your mind, heart, and every possible moment in your life. They know that they rule your heart. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about your partner or the relationship? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about the relationship? So you are very worried, Virgo. It's telling me some of you may be very scared or nurse a fear that you may get hurt in this relationship and you may be left high and dry if a decision is not taken. So you have your share of fear really. You want your partner to take a decision so that the future can look more promising. But if you see Virgo, your partner is trying very hard. They're trying the best to their ability really. They are not deliberately keeping you waiting. They're trying their best. They're also confused. Your partner is also a bit confused. So let them clear up their and clarity in the mind. And then maybe they will be able to take the relationship to the next level. So, what is the hope or fear your partner has about the relationship or you? Your partner is very, very convinced about you. They feel this is a gifted relationship, something that was meant to be. And they are very, very convinced about the future with you. Very beautiful energy, really. So you do have bit of a fear, Virgo, not your partner. Your partner is very convinced. It's just that they're dealing with certain things. So what is the past you are coming from? And what is the past your partner is coming from? So both of you have had a good life. And Virgo, it's so ingrained in your attitude and your personality to be fair. You don't judge anyone, you don't judge a situation, you're taking a day at a time. And it has even elevated your position in the community or society. So you come from a very beautiful energy, and that energy is of being very, very fair. Your partner has had a lot of winning days. They see this relationship as rewarding relationship, and they're going to remove any obstacles that may be coming on along. So give them some time. So they have a very winning attitude really. Your partner has a winning attitude, and they are going to go great lengths to make this relationship work because of the past energy that they are bringing. And they're very, very capable. Your partner is very, very capable, Virgo. So what is the overall guidance from tarot? So the guidance is very literally, Virgo, some of you may just want to take up a travel with your partner or your love interest and spend time together. Some of you may want to start some business on your own. And one very strong guidance is that don't assume a consequence or what is likely to happen. Keep a very open mind. Relationships can throw surprise, but it's just telling you to keep a very, very open mind. It can be equally rewarding also. So the guidance from tarot is that keep an open mind. Don't judge any situation and take it as it is coming, day at a time, situation at a time. And it's telling me you will do very well, Virgo, because this is your past energy. You don't judge anything. You will give a fair hearing You will take every situation as it is and work through it. And you have some very strong belief system which is going to help you in this relationship and marriage. So now I'm going to look at only Virgo cards individually, and I'm going to remove the partner cards to see when is it likely or what is it likely as coming as a guidance for Virgos who are single and are looking for love. Virgo, take a travel. Very strong suggestion. If some of you are getting an opportunity to travel with like-minded people, you may just want to grab it. It's telling me you're going to find someone who shares your beliefs about love and relationships. And love cannot be denied to you, Virgo. It's telling me universe is in your favor. There's a wheel of fortune at work, which is telling me that there are good times ahead. Luck is in your favor. So justice is a card of energy of getting decisions in your favor. So it's telling me that if you were to find someone nice, in all likelihood, you will be able to take that relationship strength to strength. So you cannot be denied love, Virgo. And the reason for that is you always go very, very prepared and you know in your mind who you want and what you're looking for. And you will travel great lengths to find it. So this is the guidance for Virgos who are single and are looking for love. And this was the reading for couples and singles Virgo from February to March.